Unveiling the beauty of Alocasia bambino. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been captivated by the striking foliage and unique characteristics of different plant species. Among my favorites is the Alocasia bambino, a charming member of the Alocasia genus known for its compact size and stunning leaves. Let me take you on a journey into the world of Alocasia bambino, exploring its care requirements, growth potential, propagation methods, and common concerns. See more 90 species in genus Alocasia, Elephantiers at monstraholic.com. How to care for Alocasia bambino? Caring for an Alocasia bambino requires attention to detail and a nurturing touch. Here are some essential tips to ensure your plant thrives. Light. Alocasia bambino prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Ensure proper drainage to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Humidity. These plants love high humidity levels. You can increase humidity by misting the leaves regularly or placing the pot on a tray filled with pebbles and water. Temperature. Maintain temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing the plant to cold drafts or sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. Use a well-draining, peat-based potting mix to provide adequate aeration for the roots. Fertilization. Feed your Alocasia bambino with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength during the growing season. Pruning. Remove any yellowing or damaged leaves promptly to encourage new growth and maintain the plant's aesthetic appeal. Pest control. Keep an eye out for common pests like spider mites and aphids. If infestations occur, treat them promptly with neem oil or insecticidal soap. How big does Alocasia bambino get? Alocasia bambino is prized for its compact size, making it an ideal choice for indoor spaces with limited room for larger plants. On average, mature specimens typically reach a height of around 12 to 18 inches, 30 to 45 centimeters, and a spread of 12 inches, 30 centimeters. However, growth can vary depending on environmental factors such as light, temperature, and humidity. How to propagate Alocasia bambino? Propagating Alocasia bambino allows you to expand your collection or share this beautiful plant with friends and fellow enthusiasts. Here's how you can propagate it. Division. Divide the rhizome during repotting, ensuring each division has several healthy shoots and roots. Plant the divisions in separate pots filled with well-draining soil and provide the same care as mature plants. Offsets. Alocasia bambino occasionally produces offsets, or baby plants, around the base of the parent plant. Carefully separate these offsets and plant them in their pots to establish new plants. Stem cuttings. You can also propagate Alocasia bambino from stem cuttings. Select a healthy stem with several nodes and cut it into sections, making sure each cutting has at least one node. Plant the cuttings in a moist potting mix and keep them warm and humid until roots develop. Why is my Alocasia bambino turning yellow? Seeing your Alocasia bambino's leaves turn yellow can be concerning, but it's essential to identify the underlying cause to address the issue effectively. Here are some possible reasons for yellowing leaves. Overwatering. Excess moisture in the soil can lead to root rot, causing the leaves to turn yellow and wilt. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings and adjust your watering frequency accordingly. Underwatering. On the flip side, underwatering can also cause yellowing leaves. Ensure your Alocasia bambino receives adequate moisture, especially during the growing season. Low humidity. Insufficient humidity can stress the plant and cause leaf yellowing. Increase humidity levels by misting the leaves or using a humidifier, especially in dry indoor environments. Nutrient deficiency. A lack of essential nutrients, particularly nitrogen, can manifest as yellowing leaves. Feed your plant with a balanced fertilizer to provide the necessary nutrients for healthy growth. Pest infestation. Check your plant for signs of pest infestation, such as spider mites or aphids, which can damage the foliage and cause yellowing. Treat any infestations promptly with appropriate insecticides. Alocasia bambino versus Polly. My Polly is a drama queen. Those giant, velvety, heart-shaped leaves demand attention. It sits on a low plant stand in the corner of my living room, and whenever someone walks in, their eyes are immediately drawn to its lush presence. It's definitely the focal point of the room. But that diva status comes with a price. Alocasia poly seems to be thirstier than the Bambino, and if I miss a watering, those dramatic leaves start drooping faster than you can say sorry, babe. In conclusion, Alocasia Bambino is a fascinating plant that adds a touch of tropical elegance to any indoor space. With the right care and attention, you can enjoy its lush foliage and unique beauty for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a beginner gardener, incorporating Alocasia Bambino into your collection is sure to delight and inspire.